Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Syed Nur Yazid bin Syed Nur Effendi from SMK Taman Kenari, and today I'll be focusing on listening skill Unit 8 Time to Spare. Alright, before we start, I would like to remind you about the lesson that the previous teacher Ainul mentioned before about predicting the pictures. So let's have a look at the instruction. Read the exam close-up, then read the exam task and identify the emotions in the pictures. In the exam close-up, predicting from the pictures. Okay, so number one, you need to remember, before you listen, it's important to read the questions and look at the pictures carefully. Number two, when you look at the pictures, try to imagine what the listening could be about. And number three, think about the differences and the words you could hear for each picture. So let's have a look at the questions. There are 7 questions in this part. For each question, there are 3 pictures and a short recording. Circle the correct picture A, B, or C. For the first question, what time does the girls' music lesson start tonight? Now let's predict the audio by looking at the answer options A, B, and C. So if you look at the answer options, it is 1900 hours, 1930, and 2000 hours. So we know that they are using the 24-hour military system time. But let's predict maybe in the audio they will be using normal time, meaning that for picture A, 1900 could be 7 o'clock mentioned in the audio. So you need to listen carefully. Alright, number 2, which sport did Tom try? So this will test your vocabulary by looking at the type of sports in the picture. For picture A, it is sailing. Yes, picture A is sailing, picture B is water skiing, and picture C is windsurfing. So we know already each picture, each sport. So listen to the audio later and select which sport did Tom try. For question number 3, which concert is the boy not going to buy a ticket for? Meaning that the boy in the audio might choose between 2 concerts, and the only concert that he did not choose is the correct answer. Okay, so for picture A, it looks like a rock concert. Picture B looks like orchestra, and picture C is a piano concert. Okay, and question number 4, which bikini does the young woman prefer? So you as the listener, you need to guess the designs for each bikini. So look at the first picture. A, it's plain. B, it could be polka dot or spotted. And C is striped. Right? And question 5, where is the tennis racket? So this will test your preposition. For picture A, on the bed. For picture B, on the chair. And picture C, on the table and under the jacket. Okay, and question number 6, how much does the woman pay per month for her gym? So if you look at the answer options, the currency used is pound. So which is it? 20 pound, 30 pound, or 50 pound? And last question, question 7, what has the grandmother done this afternoon? So picture A, she's cooking. Picture B, she is gardening. And picture C, she is surfing the internet. Okay, so I'll give you some time to predict the audio, and we are going to continue on the next lesson.